So I'm going to be hooking this up as a under hitch trailer camera so that it'll help me when backing up, hooking up to my trailer, as well as it'll give me a view of the wheels of my trailer for when I'm trying to go down the road, just make sure everything's going as expected. So I'm using one of the mounts that came with it, hooked everything up already, and then I'm going to put this adhesive pad on it, and then we'll go hook it up. So I've already put the adhesive pad on here. I just need to take that yellow piece of paper off, and then it's going to stick right here and sit just like that. And then, as you can see, I've already got the power cable hooked up, which I actually hooked into my trailer wiring so that I've got a constant power source so that I can check this at any time. So let me get this stuck on there and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, there it is installed. As you can see, I just stuck it up there. This gives me, I have plenty of, I can move this around, I can move it on between these arms, I can loosen this guy up and move the whole mount. This should be pretty good. I probably will actually, when I'm not using this, take this screw out, take this whole camera piece off. That way I don't have to leave this out here all the time and you know, leave it subject to all the weather and things like that. So I'm just going to wrap this around here and get it to where it's nice and stable. And then I can just plug it in and we'll check out the next. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the wires all hooked up, and now I'm just going to tuck those up and out of the way so that they are totally out of the way. Zip tie everything, make it look nice and pretty. And then all I have to do is disconnect this guy and disconnect the wire harness and pull it, and I've got it ready to go for waterproof, and I don't have to worry about it sitting out in the elements. So one great feature they give you is a cigarette lighter. Not only does it actually have the cigarette lighter, but it's got a USB in here so it doesn't take up all of your jacks. So what we're going to do is plug this guy in. And this is, my truck is a 2014 Ford F150 EcoBoost XLT, and this has been absolutely fantastic. So just make the connection. This will end up getting mounted up here, and they also include adhesive strips for that too. One thing you can see right off the bat is that this is upside down video. So menu, MIR flip, select, and we can do that exact right one. That is perfect. Actually, we want to flip it one more way. So now it is exactly how I would see the reverse. So we select that. We're good to go. Everything else is, you can see it's got a spot over here for camera setup. So if you've got multiple cameras to hook up to this, it works perfect with that. This obviously is for flipping the video just like we did. The picture, you can brighten, darken, do the contrast, all kinds of stuff with it. This also has, like I was telling you before, this has a SD feature. So you can set this to rewrite over things. You can set it to format the card. This, you can play the videos that you've recorded. We'll do one here in just a little bit. The system is just date, time, what language you want, dimming features, what you know, if you're NTSC or, in fact, we should change that. There we go. Now we're NTSC, and which is the North American standard. PAL, I believe, is the European standard. You can set a recording delay. If you want to use this as a backup camera, go back into system, and then you can go over to this P line and turn those on. And then you can see now it's set up just like a backup camera. You've got your lines that would help you back up if you need to. So, but let's do recording. So you hit the select button down here. You can see that it is switched to record. So that's going to record a little video. As a matter of fact, we'll go out and we'll wave in front of it and we'll look at the video. Okay, let's stop recording. So we hit select again, and the record goes away. Let's go menu, play. Let's go DCIM. Then we go to today, which it's actually the 11th. And we go to the latest file. And there is a little bit of digitizing. I looked at this on my laptop, and these actually looked really good quality video. So you should see, there we go. So as you can see, if you're using this as a DVR on your, say you're traveling around, you can easily check and see if anybody's been messing with your stuff or anything like that. So an absolutely fantastic system. And yeah, outside of that, absolutely fantastic. And this, again, this is the eRapta F18 wireless video camera. Super long range. You can see this is camera 1. Again, you can hook up multiple cameras. It just has these really nice antennas that you could actually get a higher gain antenna for them at some point later on down the road if you want to be able to go even further if you need to. And man, just amazing features on this whole thing. So highly recommend it. Thank you.